How to multiply radicals. Example number 1, the square root of 2 times the square root of 18. What is that equal to? So when multiplying two radical like this, all you need to do is just multiply the radicand. So the radicand, the number inside the square root sign, they call radicand. So you multiply these two together. So that's just equal to the square root of 2 times 18. So that's just equal to the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is perfect square. That's just equal to 6. All right, that's the answer right there. How about example number 2? The square root of 3 times the square root of 8. What is that equal to? Do the same thing. Just multiply the two radicand together. So that's just equal to 3 times 8. That's equal to the square root of 24. Now we could break down the square root of 24 a little further. We can say that the square root of 4 is just equal to the square root of 4 times 6. Now we want to put this into this form right here. So we can just say that that's just equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 6. So the square root of 4 is just a perfect square. That's just equal to 2, and then times the square root of 6. That's the answer. How about this one? 2 times the square root of 3 times, inside the parentheses right here, 3 times the square root of 12 plus 4 times the square root of 3. So this one we use a distributive property. So we can multiply this right there. So that's just equal to 2 times the square root of 3 times this 3 times the square root of 12. Okay, and then plus, same thing, multiply this into that. Okay, now let's just plus. So 2 times the square root of 3 times 4 times the square root of 3. Okay, now when you multiply like the two radical together, so what we do is we have the number outside the radical, outside the square root sign right there. So you just multiply these two together first, and then you multiply the radicands together. So we need to do just multiply this 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and then and 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, do the same thing, plus 2 times 4 is 8, and times the square root of 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now we can so what is the square root of 36? Square root of 36 is just 6. Okay, plus 8 times the square root of 9 will be just 3. So 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 3 is 24. So if you add this 2 up, will be a 0, and then will be just 60. So that's your answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.